I've handled some injury claims that take just a couple months to resolve, but most injury claims do not resolve that quickly. In this video, I'm going to break down a few reasons why your claim might feel like it's moving at the speed of a turtle. First reason your injury claim may be taking a long time: liability. First off, one big reason for a delay in your injury claim could be disputes about who's at fault. Believe it or not, insurance companies and large corporate defendants don't just jump up and say, "Oh sure, we'll pay." They want to make absolutely sure that they are responsible to pay. So in a car accident case, if there's any question about who caused the accident, whether it's you or the other driver, this can lead to back and forth investigations, witness interviews, accident reconstructions, and even delays in negotiating a settlement. Or in a slip or trip and fall case, it's often the case that the defendant in the case will take the position that you were just clumsy or careless, and as a result you fell due to no fault of their own. It's a game of tug of war, and you can bet the insurance company and large corporate defendants are going to hold their end as tight as possible. Second reason your injury claim may be taking a long time: medical treatment and recovery time. In most injury cases, it's probably not in your best interest to settle your injury case right after your accident. Why, you might ask? Well, because you likely won't have any idea of the value of your case right after your accident. To know the value of your injury claim, you need to know the full extent of your injuries. That means until you've finished medical treatment, or at least reach what's called maximum medical improvement, which is a fancy way of saying you are as recovered as you're going to get, you, the insurance company, or your lawyer can't really put an estimated value on your case. So while it might be frustrating, the time you're taking to heal is crucial for the final result. Third reason your injury claim may be taking a long time: bigger cases usually take longer. The higher the stakes, the longer it can take. Insurance companies tend to be a little more, how do I put this, cautious when they know they might be paying out a larger settlement. And by cautious, I mean they'll delay, and delay some more, hoping you'll give up or accept a lowball offer just to get things over with. If the insurance company is dragging their feet because they know your case could be worth big bucks, hang in there. They are testing your patience. You have to push back and move your case forward. If you have a case potentially worth a large sum of money, you have to push your case forward. It is very likely that if you have a big valued case, you will have to file a lawsuit and put pressure on the insurance company to make you a fair offer. Do not let the insurance company win by accepting a low settlement offer early on in your case. It is usually worth the wait to get your big settlement. Fourth reason your injury claim may be taking a long time: insurance company tactics. Insurance companies like to play games and test your patience. Delays can be used as a strategy to pressure you into accepting a settlement that's way lower than what you deserve. It's frustrating, but it's true. They're hoping that the longer they stall, the more likely you are to cave because you're tired of waiting, or maybe you really need the money. By dragging out negotiations, requesting unnecessary documentation, or taking long periods of time to review your claim, they create frustration and financial stress for you. This can be particularly hard if you're facing medical bills, lost wages, and other financial burdens related to your injury. Insurance companies know that the longer you have to wait, the more likely you are to settle for less just to get the process over with and receive some compensation. Delays can also make it seem like your case isn't worth much, causing you to doubt the value of your claim. This tactic is especially effective if you are unaware of the actual value of your claim or don't have a lawyer representing you. The goal of these delays is to wear you down and make you accept a lowball offer, even if you're entitled to more. Fifth reason your injury claim may be taking a long time: the court process moves slowly. If your case heads towards litigation, you might be dealing with the slow-moving wheels of the court system. You see, many courts are overloaded with cases, which leads to court backlogs, busy judges, and delayed trial dates, which can all push your case further down the calendar. Even in the best of times, court cases can take a while. Courts have limited resources, including judges, courtrooms, and administrative staff, which means they can only handle a certain number of cases at any given time. When the docket becomes crowded, it can take longer to schedule hearings and trials. This delay can push back your case for months or even years as the court prioritizes more urgent cases like criminal matters or those that have been pending for a longer time. Injury cases that actually go to trial may face multiple continuances, rescheduled hearings, or long gaps between steps in the litigation process. The delays aren't necessarily a reflection of the strength of the case. Sometimes it's just the reality of our court system. The thing is, now that you know some of the reasons why your injury case may be taking so long to resolve, what if I told you that I actually know of a way in some cases to actually speed up your injury claim? And to learn about that method, you need to watch this video about to pop up right here, where I discuss the only way I know to speed up an injury claim. Also, if you found this video to be helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here for more helpful videos like this one. Lastly, if you've been injured in Kentucky, remember to don't wait, call Tate.